ma mene papa any beje dodo satan aba.
Alright, so even before we start today's edition of Showbiz Daily on Samiflex TV, I have this opportunity I want to share with you. Have you seen a tweet from Shatawale saying, say, "Wa oye beat maker, wa only beat ton 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 ton." With me Bobby Emmanuel Deno or the album Biba, our friend G.O.G. O feel say o beat aye Deno the man or no Shatawale no beating about or the tune album this one, you get some 2K as a dash, and again for producing the beat for him now or they to the album. So if you are watching us and you know any beat maker, you know any producer, all you have to do is to alert the person that guy, there is a special email on Shatawale's Twitter handle. He is looking for a special beat on his album called Nakasubitimi a Qualifier. 2K is the price tag on it. We can Anna Isa.
As I think it's a very good step now, Shatawale is taking, and I would want to commend him for such a step. Because the artist Biana, Pasha da crowd can say, oh, okay, my main to enter public name say, we a sound engineer, we a producer, Bobby B, Nafa Brand, I mentioned because minimum young guys be more studio. Sometimes more prep, more public crowd will beat in their chop, okay. And if for Shatawale to open up and say who was studio who need beat but yeah they will Nafa Bra or you're lucky not beat in the year I think it's a plus everybody needs to comment.
Should he allow the top producers to be part of this project and I say Onion only for new guys, up and coming producers?
Because it's an album and the kind of artists are Shatawale I think say why in the open it is giving the up and coming producers an opportunity. Into year Jumana now year so for instance who say Abia Master J Bebo beat Nibia now say Obi beat God Bebo beat Nibia Obey your own Obey your home because I'm Master J the experienced producer and Mammy Bibina and Brony they said they are Wally family. It's no problem up and coming ones now aye Jumano.
Okay.
Bring
some energy.
Yes.
Okay. Nana Reagan, Beef Nation President, Enna, what's it? Now, when you said Adia Bakoso, I have the fact that we are also going to open it up for you as well. And I have a superstar with me here today. His name is Gakpe. So I was asking my ever friend the meaning of Gakpe and Wantini Akashi.
Oh, it means all.
All.
Yeah, no, all. Shikate. Agakpa. The stone from which you get minerals like gold.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that is
Agakpa. Agakpa, yeah.
Hey, so it's not Gan. So I have to pronounce like the way you are pronouncing Gakpa.
Gakpo.
Hey, this guy will kill us soon. Once I was listening to your song, I heard Gakpe. I did not hear the way you want to.
No, if you go
the way you want to evangelize it.
If you go to the number 9 area here.
Okay.
That is where they will divide it.
Oh,
they will mention it correct.
Gakpe. Alright, so that is the name of my superstar here. And trust me, he has a beautiful song, a song we have been vibing with in the studio ever since he came here. We've been vibing with the song and it feels so good. I know very soon you're also going to vibe with it. This is Showbiz Daily here on Sammy Flex TV, and we are about to do some 1 or 2 gossiping here and there before we zoom into the business of my fresh artist called Gakpe, and he is on a record label called Black Eye Records. We'll be talking about that later in the show. Now let me say thanks to our sponsors. And here I'm talking about TapTapSend. TapTapSend is a money transfer app just on your phone. Download it from Google Play Store and you are just good to go. You cannot send money without stress. You can send money with no stress at all. And you don't even have to go out. It is just on your phone. Tap, 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 and the money goes. If you are living in Europe and you want to send money to Africa, you can always use TapTapSend, and it can come to countries like Mali, Senegal, Ivory Coast, Ghana, and Guinea. And if you're in UK, Italy, Germany, France, Belgium, Netherlands, or Spain, you can also use the TapTapSend. And of course, more energy in the studio, so we are always refreshed. Thanks to Manu Foods. Manu Foods, they've given us the refreshment we need. Some small chops, some eateries, some cookeries, everything just for you alone. So if you're going to have a special program, you want some small chops to be delivered to you at your doorstep, why don't you also deal with Manu Foods? A taste. And even if you live around Tema and its environs and you want some jollof, you want some TZ or anything at all to consume, Manu Foods will deliver. So just give them a call. Manu Foods can be reached on 0249 970 595. 0249 970 595. Visit them at Mexico School, adjacent the Shell filling station inside Tema Community 2. That is where Manu Foods are located. You can also go there and start doing business with them. Now moving on straight to the first concern we want to look at before we start talking about Gakpe's new song, Monday. I just checked on Twitter and the song was trending at number 3. I said, wow, this is a great deal. For a fresh talent, as I know, to come out with a song today, and the song trends at number 3 at the time that Nana Ba Namwa is getting Range Rover, Sarkodie is releasing some big songs, and so many things happening in the system. It means that this guy day, and if he day, we too we day for him. Akuaping Polo has been talking about a certain issue that I want to ask my Beef Nation president, because Beef Nation here, we I know Beef Sano or Hunsen and I don't know what Akuaping Polo is looking for. Meaning by the Asan Komo way if we buy, but then she's talking about Wendy Shade. Once again, one more Wendy Shade, but we a shade that is a shade way there. It is going straight to Wendy Shade. You just listen to it, watch the videos that Richie Flex is about to give to us. Nafe Oshewie, Nasa also, and yet what we say when you share, I can give it to you. But then remember to share the video with your friends all over the world. Let them know that Showbiz Daily is here on Sammy Flex, and I am Sammy Flex. I'm saying thanks to my producers led by Digital Rasta, Currency, Richie Flex, in Team Chemo, Lapiji, and of course I have man like MC Verima at the other side. Today, Tilly Akiadipa is missing in action small. Maybe she will join us on Monday. Let's do this. When we come back, we will do more.
Yes, Akuaping Polo, I'm back. I realized that when I went off, a lot of people were misbehaving. Yes. Calling themselves Queen of Ghana Music and blah 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 blah. Madam, so after your small waist, after you got your small waist finished, because I realized you needed a small waist like mine, and you have achieved it. How far now? Because I realize you call yourself Queen of Ghana Music, but none of your songs are hits. Whenever you produce a song, you have to create controversy on it before. All this blah 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 radio interview thing that was going around, I know it was set up just to promote your new song, because you can't do a hit song. Let's speak the truth. Your songs are not hits. I can see your manager is pushing for you, but it's not going. Stop calling yourself queen of Ghana music because Becca is there. And that lady, her songs are hits. Right now, what I want you to do is sit your manager down. Tell him you want to go international. At least you've done the Ghana market. So someone like Tiwa Savage, the African musicians are there. Try to do a collabo. And stop focusing on your body. Stop focusing on your body because we have big bodies. So we have big bodies. You're focusing on your body too much, which I don't even see it. You get me? We have most of the bodies there. Stop focusing and focus on the music you are doing. And stop calling yourself queen of the Ghana music. Because please, when it comes to the queen of Ghana music, Becca is there. Go and check on her songs and the collaborations she has done. Work hard and stop doing the tobe. Because to me, all your songs are not hits. Whenever you drop a new song, you try to create a controversy, pay and create a controversy, blah, 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 please. I'm telling the truth and you know that's the fact. I love you. Thank you.
Akuapem Polo from a sexy polo. Now, me call Regan, baby, son on same 1 or 2. Say, Nana Regan, way Akuapem one more a year when the shading. But this is without fear of any letter.
Yeah. Description.
This is without fear of any letter.
Exactly. Yeah.
Can we place or fit in Wendy Shay coolly without any trouble?
Exactly. Yes.
Personally,
this one I'm doing it again. I will mention Wendy Shay.
Where Wendy Shay?
Yeah, Wendy Shay shade.
Okay. Now, Akuapem Polo, Nisa no Kano. Yen funny say yen papa no Kano. And now yen ben because or 24 say where we Ghana market no. Why enough for Ghana? Now move out, go and try something out international. Cause you share more Nigeria, any other place now. Is it a good advice?
Advice in it is a very good one. And they say media for you crown when you watch an artist and as who study artist be now. But yeah, Jumano cool anymore. Sometimes we signal the management say they are more fanfare, money say more free, more feature with money and so it's a very good one. But I don't know, say if you have been Polo no, with this particular video, no, if she was talking to whoever she was talking to, to say when the show as a music competitor, and I say Obiebia who say or concentrate on the body when a body not concentrate and ask you don't get it because it or can somebody or can about name or can about the shape and I name will say minimum na get it which for me the emphasis say when the shape you found bias to see more music scene ubenya emu ba ko bi at least name ba ko ye hit sister fia untimi ka say name na get hit yeah untimi ka say when the shape name na get hit even Frida Rhymes near no cry you can't say someone name na get hit because beef songs e trend kakra e ko nim kakra fine so you can't say name na get hit when the show were a couple of hit songs even the emergency crap or did in 2 years so it's not doing bad. It is a advice say you as a sister in the industry no who be maybe our person promoting management say so ebianka bullets and you see on far girl on for her and you see it's a very good advice. I mean as industry no family no when the show in and so man start messaging now there's no problem about it. Okay. But to go to the extent to talk about the shape, why the shape when the shape or concentrate too much and then again.
See, and I'm sorry when the tie shaky can cry, no problem no. Say or no people low and no and check no control no again. Not trekking. Then they'll be
so say when the ever start trekking competition you want.
When you not go there.
Of course. When the
musician business, yeah.
Of course.
Something very big.
Yes. Until no hear the music in Yama. It is our man advice on the music level now, fine. But the other kaka on the unity in the 9.
Okay.
Say the body need the oba bia or hon matem bia o upgrade your body. O show body we bia o lose weight bebre a put you on weight kakra o share na weight na cost bebre o be share say be form to time be fit to suit o brand and I say how I be mo ho am ni beje exactly the body need the omo fancy nche omo enjoy on na asem ne ka na nyom no so say enye de no like he talked about controversies. I'm really fear. I mean, this thing it should be clear with people in the industry. Say artists be and I say be a showbiz person be you need
a little bit of controversies.
Yes,
yeah, I agree.
You need it. And it's
look at your brand and tailor what will be good for it.
That is the thing. That is the thing. Then it means that when the share and the management are doing a very perfect job. So what me observe say
they work something around
controversy. Then it means that they are working very, very well.
Because you noticed something.
Yes. I this our creative controversy. Me, I will access a baby or the baby on creative controversy. If it will work for him. And as one way, no how or bear fra there no be never way or channel be way there for her because one way to be audience ne be used to na fe and also kwa hard into on one who how be play on cards na de ne koyi mana na one brand affecting the revenue and money gigs or burning or nya hit no nya massive airplay on air and then on the street. What is our problem? We even need to commend her. So I
see. Now, my main fact was too. Sir and come away artists, why a Ghana we call international. It has killed some brands in Ghana. And without any fear or whatever, I want to mention Bisakade. Sadly, we Ghana for ye. Oh, when it be say, Fede Wabo, and you say, sir, they be on your one way, and why enough? Now go out, and I be they started okay, and my international collaborations, and not call Nigeria. And then on your more, on your year 1, 2, 3 B. On your yes, they were good songs, but because we were not used to those things with Bisaki there, and fact like Mansane, they are kind of FM. And it's the same thing now at Ekuaping Polo and I pray it ends with Ekuaping Polo because if it doesn't end with Ekuaping Polo now, it be more so now when they say also queen of music corporate. Yes, it is a disaster fans be I say oh yes but I not by force. No, she's not under jury say or point be as also or company will be outside Ghana like collaboration. What for? Only a PM here immediately good song.
Of course.
That song is flying.
Of course.
So me, I want to advise Ekuaping Polo say, they all kind of get bad, sir. First of all, say, I think Papa no they can and go bet me art directing straight to
the team.
Then straight.
Yeah.
Uncle Mama fan call social media Mama say on your move problem. Because I don't want to suggest say AB cry we now no meaning say calculated attendance to do something and now say there is a problem. I don't want to believe there is a problem. But if she doesn't want us to assume that there already a problem there, next time she could find a nice way to do this.
And then send the message.
Okay. Yes.
Me person me can be etwa the okan about international artists or international collaborations. I believe that every artist should have a dream and then a purpose for whatever that you are doing. Your music business. You should know, say, okay, within this period of 2 years, this is what I want to achieve for myself as an artist. You should know that within this period of 5 years, say I'm a person we do. If you have those calculated plans, people cannot give you that pressure. Say, go and feature the video, go and feature. Say, you see, people get carried away when they are on like maybe our music journey. Now Oshani will do baby, maybe our boy will not hit the 3, 4 B. After now, message in the community, but also feel say, okay, let me associate myself with these people. Now, make sure meet me your numbers. Now, it doesn't work easily like that. Sometimes when we plan and falling in with whatever they are also doing now. Over collaboration, but it will not work. Ibina Ato Bisakade, he featured all those guys. On your mono, your boy, baby, but said you can, said the brother, I hate to Ghana.
Yeah.
even in your money because I'm at a Kenya crowd,
Bisakede songs are played everywhere.
Yes.
Even
What
the,
I say?
Francophone countries, they
Yes.
play the songs.
And see, if such songs can even carry you there, me a born your money why don't you concentrate and then have a very long-term plan for yourself? Know what you want. Now Jumanosa, follow it like, and then you feed your audience. Don't let your audience set the agenda for you. You should set the agenda for your audience. Yes, I think they will be expecting and then enjoying you.
All right. So once again, I want to big up Shatta Wale. He's one guy who has been able to ignore that pressure. Shatta a local. Still, he's taking, or better, I'm collecting or collecting as a local champion. He's still collecting. You can go to hell. But
why do Ghanaians even have problem with local champion?
Okay, let me read some comments and remember our question now, Beef Nation Ebisano. And Obahimanana Kosia says all she knows is twerking. Benoni Kofi Blaze says Apiapin Polo has no beef with Wendy Shea. I feel she's only shading her to lay carpet for Becca. Let's not forget Apiapin Polo is a self-acclaimed hype lady for Becca after her encounter with Becca during the meet and greet with Cardi B. Okay. What was that line?
Yeah. I said Becca crowd.
Yeah.
It's true.
Now Richie Rich says this is totally out of hate. If it is Wendy, then she is wrong because she's got hit songs, not to talk about the current with Beyond. Pim is always discrediting people, but we don't see any talent she even got regardless who she is talking to. Amma Ochre also says, thank you, Brasami. So she has to use Wendy Shea for this. Opa Himana Nakusia says, upon all Wendy's hits, Pim, this one day, come again. It is not something we will take at all. Okay, now Abdul Rahman Nelson says, Brasami, we love you. SM will forever be grateful. And Brasami, forget everybody. Shatta Wale will surely rule. Okay, DJ Nat Bubu, good evening to you, and thanks for being a part of today's show. Now let me go straight to Gakpe. So by name, you have to allow us to mention it everyone. But if you are going to be strict on asking, Gakpe, yet really soon by they're confused.
Gakpe is correct.
Is it again?
Gakpe
is also correct. Where are you based? Are you based in the Volta region or you are here with us in Accra?
Accra.
Do you know when I was listening to your song, at the point I felt you were not Ghanaian?
100% number 9.
At the point I felt some Niger vibe in there. I said, who is this guy? How is your music business, music life is? How is it like?
It's okay from my point of view, because when I looked at where I started from and then where I am now, it's by grace. It's not been easy though, but it's good.
So where can we place you now? Gakpe, he's still coming up, he's still middle, or he's overground? Where can we place Gakpe at this stage?
For now, I cannot tell. Maybe my works will tell where I should be placed. But me, I would say I'm still coming up. I'm still learning. So.
But how many works do you have out there? Do you have more works out there?
No.
So is this your only song?
I have songs though, but this is my official song. That's I'm coming out with.
Oh, okay. And I know you have been signed to a label.
Yeah.
That is a Black Eye Records. Your boss is based in abroad. Yeah. It means your boss is sorted for you, so you have to work hard.
Sure.
How is it like a fresh artist getting a label, taking care of your business? How is it like? Because I know some top artists are even looking for labels to pump some small dough in them. They are not getting it.
I know it's you.
How did you land this deal?
I'll still say it's by grace, because I had no idea how it started, but I was talking to people. And then this link up came, and then they were like, oh, my guy be say get some money if he help you, so if you do other link up. Even with that one, I said for him, promise for no door, so I said okay, make a try see. So then I met the man, and then
you met him in Ghana?
Yeah, he was in Ghana.
Oh, he was in Ghana then, okay.
So we spoke, and then my soul was rejoicing, so everything happened, and then now.
So how is it like? He is based abroad, and you have the label is operating in Ghana. How is your business operations like? Who is doing what here in Ghana? I know he'll be doing the plugins, if I on your Monto, iTunes, those things, he'll be doing it there. But in Ghana, how is the operation like?
Me social media this, so
okay.
just the link ups. If you are connected, then we move. Because he has his people here in Ghana who take care of stuff, and then we do the work.
Okay,
yes.
So it means he has team members here for
yes.
your job.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So all that you have to do is to produce good songs.
Sure.
How many years did you sign?
I signed for 5 years.
For 5 years.
Yeah.
Okay, that is average. And how much was involved for you? What were the entitlements? How many cars, houses?
Oh, that one there. We could go on back door.
Oh my God! Why is that every artist comes here and they don't talk about what was in their deal?
Sometimes I don't go reach out, they will carry and meet me.
So that's the fear.
Yeah,
the fear that people are likely to attack you guys.
One reason.
Oh, okay.
Reason.
But I hope it was satisfying. So one day you are not going to complain.
No.
Because if I hear in the near future Gakpe is sitting somewhere complaining that Black Eye did not take good care of him, personally I'll be disappointed.
That one, myself, I will be bad person.
Okay,
yeah.
Okay. So what is it that you are to do for the label? I know the label is at the moment doing all the financial tasks or responsibilities for you. What are you also providing for the label?
My work is to put out more good music.
Okay.
Yeah, because that was what they saw in me, and then they came for me. So I forgive them what they see.
So have you been given a special task of, say, produce 5 albums within the 5 years that you've signed?
Something like that.
Which is it? Which is which? Are you to provide how many albums in the 5 years? Alright, so Gakpe is telling us we should do that one to back door. And this song, I realized the song was trending at number 3 today. And I said, wow. I saw it, I said, wow.
He said, it shocked me.
He said, it shocked you. Today is the release date of the song.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And the song is now available on almost. Who produced the song?
GD Sick Beats.
He's also Ghanaian.
Yes.
I mean, hey, Gakpe.
Zram.
Oh, why? When someone says Gakpe, you say what?
Zram.
And what's the meaning of Zram?
Zram is just a vibe. Way back in high school, there was this classmate of mine called Iman. Then he just shouts my name.
Okay.
Gakpe, then you respond Zram. So then I enter the music where I see so that kind of thing they move, so make a new sound.
Okay.
Wait, we pick.
Oh, okay. So the Gakpe is your real
my
name?
My real name.
It's not as if some showbiz coined name.
No.
That's your real name?
My real name. The name is Gakpe Christian Mauli.
Oh, Gakpe Christian Mauli.
Yeah.
And that when someone says Gakpe, you say what?
Zram.
Okay, now I want to really confirm you did this song. Can you go raw? Let me enjoy you going raw.
Okay. Who say man no day, oh Monday, 9 day, wake up early morning on Monday. Who say man no day, oh Monday. Now you go one day where nobody, one day I say to be a man, and say no to be a man, yeah, I say no plan no, hey, if I break your back, I'm pack garacho, control the bank, hey, control the crowd, Roman go the wire money. We find girls go the shaky body. Roman no get time for Toli. Adebayo go they talk on for me. Roman no go call police. So they use my no go one use to face you. If feel like make it show hand for me. Say Roman no the chauffeur body. Zram.
No, he really is the owner of this particular song called Monday. Charlie, Regan, if you have any question for Gakpe, give it to him before we run out of here.
With your money, I want to deal with your management. The management, the financier is not here. So who do you have currently here in Ghana?
Like which position of management do you have here?
Let me say I have the people who handle my social media and my link ups. And then I have someone who does my road work for me. That's my road manager. And then I have someone who speaks in favor of my boss. Like my boss speaks through him.
Oh, okay.
When it comes to us here.
Is the producer part of the label?
No, it's not part of the label.
It's not part of
I don't think it's part of.
So what is the plan now, like within this remaining months of the year? What is the plan for you?
The plan is I wish, or I'm hoping I can drop an album this year.
By the close of this year?
By the close of this year, yeah.
Is that what you and your management are planning? That is just a wish for you?
That is a wish for me.
For you?
Yeah.
Okay.
To be able to.
But from management, what is the plan like? What is the plan for after releasing the song? What next? What are you doing?
Maybe we will be promoting the song, and then if Antikoro is not available, we can go for shows or something. But another banger will be coming. Yeah.
Okay.
Did you personally read your contract?
Oh yes. Oh, if I know it, I'm out of sign now.
So you read every
Oh, yeah,
detail of
yeah.
it. So how much was involved for you?
Why do you want this thing?
The way you said backdoor, I wasn't too sure. I wanted to be sure if you really read the contract.
Still backdoor, like
Still
we
backdoor.
discuss am here.
No, we understand.
That's what I think is.
But how come this beautiful song you did not release it with a video?
Time where I take record this song, that time this virus thing they worry. So social distancing and this kind of wahala. But we are doing better plans for a video shoot.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
it will happen. That one day.
Yeah, because the way the song is and the fact that you are new artists should not put just audios out. It becomes difficult for promotion. So as early as possible, I wish you and the team you sit together to put out a video. If you want Flex Entertainment to even do it, we're down to do this. Yeah, let's put a video out because this song should sell your brand and your image as well. People should listen
Know
to the song.
who is behind the song.
Yeah. It's a powerful song. That one I endorse the song. No two ways about
The
it.
people can easily relate it to a Nigerian artist.
Yes.
You know.
Now that you are hiding your brand.
Yeah.
So be quick. Black Eye Records. Let's be quick on this. It shouldn't be up to even 3 weeks for us to put out a video to support the promotion of this song. The song is perfect, and I believe that it will surely work out. Now, on your next project, do you have some plans of featuring some artists?
Oh, that one will happen.
And who are those you have in mind?
Those I have in mind. If I start mentioning them, no go leave here.
Oh, okay.
I get
Tall
plenty
list.
plans. Yeah.
Okay. And have you guys started moves to get all these people?
Yeah, I've made it known to my people, and then they are working on it.
They are working on getting them for you. All right, I know one of them is going to respond to them very, very quickly. So let's see how best we can make this man here, Gakwe, a star. The song is Monday. Someone tells me that our sound was too high. He was not even getting the lyrics, but then I understand how it feels. The song is online. I believe there will even be an audio slide on YouTube. You have an audio slide.
Yeah.
And is the YouTube channel still Gakwe?
Yeah, Black Eye Records.
Oh, the YouTube channel is the
Black Eye
label's
Records.
name.
Yeah.
Black Eye.
And then
Okay.
even if you search the Gakwe Self Crown, it's still
you can still get it. Okay, so their Black Eye is BLAQ, I guess.
Yeah.
BLAQ, not CK. So Black Eye Records, just go and get it. Let's close. Now, Gakwe, I'm ending it with you, but do any other star apart from Monday. Let me see what is really in you before you run away.
Right.
Any other style at all?
My baby Fiona, you know I am crashing on you. You know say you don't stay away for your invitation. See, nothing is stopping me from coming over, and I'll be crossing the border for the waste too. If you be dreamer, the beg no carry my tissue. Kaka try gakana kachana your keso. If you be read, you dey read. Come on, hanima for shishi, eh? I fit to take all my money and put them for your wisdom.
How come some of your pronunciation sounds Nigerian?
It's just a vibe I catch, you know. I just catch a vibe.
Have you lived in or stayed in Nigeria before?
No.
Because you were saying invitation and those things. I say, this guy. Imitation and all that. It's just a vibe.
Just the vibe I catch.
Alright, so he still got it, and no two ways about that. Now, Gakwe, you can say hello and hi or thanks to some people before you run out of here. Now, this is the release date for the song. That is today, and the song is out. So go out there, Gakwe, on his YouTube platform and any other platform that you want to sell music. I know some of my friends abroad are loving it. Felix Inchilabi says, Gakwe, I think the song will sell more international level if it had a nice video to it. Brasami Anna, yeah, I also agree. Obahiman Anakosia says, why is he sounding like a Nigerian? Just like I'm saying. Felix comes again and says, the song be dope, excellent job, Gakwe. I like the blend of different dialects. And Brasami, you are improving on your dance moves. The sound was too loud, so we couldn't enjoy the flow, but his freestyle has proven to me that he has the vibes and all that. Okay, so thank you so much for all the guys who are enjoying it. Gakwe, some hi, some thank you to some people, and you excuse you.
Special thank you to the Most High God, and then to my record label for giving me the chance to bring out my song, and then all my Kanish people.
Oh, you live at Kanish?
Yeah, Kanish, all my Kanish people. Sebato, Bash, Sherifa, Babiata, young people, Krenas people, you do my back. These squad boys.
Yeah, Charlie, today you brought squad.
Hey, plenty.
You alone, you brought like 6 people.
Plenty. I myself.
Sammy Flex TV, our small space, you just want to come and occupy here like that.
Everybody, bro, be like I get people, my family, yeah, them to them do my back, yeah, 2G boys,
I see.
Yeah.